Hello guys, welcome to Rich African TV 93. It's all about the beauty of Ghana and Africa. Today we are at Butuase Waterfall. Butuase Waterfall is located in Kwahu Tafo in the eastern region of the Republic of Ghana. It is one of the most beautiful waterfalls we have in Ghana. So we are here to explore the place. We are here to have fun. So guys, stick and stay and watch the video to the end. But before we dive into the video, which of the waterfall in Ghana do you know, or which of them have you been to, and where is it located, and why is it your best waterfall you've been to? Let me know in the comment section your best waterfall you've been to and the location. Okay, thank you for watching Rich African TV 93. Kindly subscribe, like, comment and share my video so that you'll be part of Rich African TV 93 family. Thank you for your support.